Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: resolution, drivers, and controller order. Once done, set your desktop or console output to 1920x 1080 or your target resolution. Make sure the game is fully patched and GPU drivers are up to date. This prevents scaling glitches. Plug both controllers in and prefer wired connections so the split detection is stable. Next, launch Black Ops 3 and go straight to the display and controller menus to begin the split screen size adjustments. You now dive into the in-game display options to change the split orientation and size. First, switch between horizontal and vertical split to see which preserves UI and minimizes clipping. Test with both controllers active. Then, fine-tune HUD scale and field of view so important info isn't cut off. Reduce HUD by small increments and retest. Make sure safe area or overscan settings match your TV or monitor so both player views fit cleanly without stretching or black bars. Finish by saving your display profile and restarting the game to ensure settings stick. Once restarted, run a few matches and check menus to confirm both screens are sized correctly. If one side still looks off, make sure your TV's overscan/zoom is set to 100% or just scan. On PC, check GPU scaling and desktop resolution to match the game. If problems persist, revert the last change and reapply smaller increments. This isolates the culprit and prevents larger layout regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.